So when we start talking about gravel, there are, again, a little bit of a generic term. There are two types of rock basically used in retaining wall construction. One is the base material. That's the material that goes underneath the retaining wall to give you a strong base to set your retaining wall on. That typically could be class 5 or class 2 gravel. So it's a mixture of fines and smaller rock, 3/4 inch typically. So that would be what would go under the wall. So that would be one type of gravel. The other type of gravel would be the drainage rock itself, which is typically a sewer rock. I prefer to utilize a fractured retaining wall backfill material, so it's angular for the rock. We don't want any fines in that because we want the water to flow through it. And by utilizing fractured rock, it's way less likely to kind of want to slide out some of any holes that might be in the wall if there's spaces or drain tile or things like that. So I like to use fractured rock.